All right, this is the infamous fix. If you have an Expedition and this clip broke on you when changing the interior door handle, this is a quick little fix that you can do. I tried everything trying to replace this, screwing holes upon holes upon holes until I came up with this idea here. Okay, so all you're gonna wanna do is you just have to screw a hole into this back plastic. Then you are going to screw a screw in, and we're gonna fix this with a handy dandy zip tie. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this around. As you can see, it doesn't have to be a zip tie this big. This is the only one that I had around, but okay, lost it there for a second, lost my zip tie. There it is. Actually, just come around this way. Yeah, this way would be better. So wait. Ya, papi. And this is the final look after cutting the excess slack. As you can see, it doesn't move. Boom.